Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to write a Java program to print pyramid pattern. Let's get started. So in the previous lecture I have already discussed about the code of for this pattern. Okay, so you can watch my previous lecture where you will came to know the discussion about this print pattern. This code I have already discussed in previous lecture. So now I am going to modify it to print pyramid pattern like this. Okay, so I will show you by executing this again. Now I will type in input equal to 10. Now you can see this pattern which I have discussed in the previous lecture. Now I am going to modify this code to print the pattern like pyramid for given input. For that I am going to write the code. So just see, I will use the same variable which I have declared here. So space equal to row minus 1, so I equal to 1, I is less than equal to row I for j equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, j plus system dot out dot print what space. Okay, we can see here one space is here, and in the previous row we can see two space. Again in the previous we can find 3 space, 4 space, 5 space, 6 space, 7 space, 8 space, 9 space. So this space we have to follow for the same next pattern. In the next one, in the second row 2 space, in the third row 3 space. For that I have defined this code to I have defined this code to print the space. Since I equal to 1, so this inner loop will continue up to what? 1. J equal to 1, j is less than 1, nahi, j is similar to 1, yes. So this loop will work only one time when I equal to 1. So one time it will print one white space, and for rest of this pattern print I am going to write one for loop again. For j equal to 1, j is less than equal to 2 star space minus 1 j plus 2. Okay, j plus 2. space 19 7 15 3 11 code is over. Execute. Now I will input row equal to 10. Now we can see the output as a pyramid shape. Okay. So for the first time when I was 1, this inner loop will continue till j is less than or equal to I. So I was 1, j equal to 1. Is j is less than I? No. Is j is equal to I? Yes, because the value of j and I is 1. That's why it is not less than but it's equal to. So condition is true. That's why the control is going to transfer within the for loop, and this one white space is going to be print over here. Now j will be 2. J will be 2. 2 is less than 1? No. 2 is similar to 1? No. That's why condition, since condition is false here, that's why this loop is not going to work and it will terminate. This loop is going to be terminated. So control is going to execute this loop. So we can see here j equal to 1, j is less than equal to 2 star space minus 1, j plus 1. Now we have to understand here this statement. The value of j is 1 and the value of a space is row minus 1. The value of row is 10. 10 minus 1 will be 9. 9 is going to assign in a space variable. Now the value of a space is 9. It will follow the precedence operator. Since the precedence of asterisk operator is higher than subtraction, so it will calculate first. So 2 star space means what? 2 star space means 2 star 9 will be 18. 18 minus 1 will be 17. 17. So is 1 is less than 17? Condition true. It will come into and it will print a star. How many times? 1 to 17. So we can count over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 yeah, right now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, 17 clear. Now a space minus minus. Now the value of a space will be, previous it was 9, now it will be what? It will be 8. I equal to 2, second row. I is less than equal to row. Is 2 is less than, the value of row is 10. Yes. Condition true, comes within the loop. Now j equal to 1, j is less than equal to 2, is 1 is less than 2, yes, condition true, it will print one white space, here one white space. Now j plus plus, j, the value of j will be 2, is 2 less than 2, yes, no, 2 is not less than 2, but 2 is similar to 2, yes, condition true. Now it will print one white space again, 2 white space. Now the value of j will be 3, is 3 is less than 2, no, is 3 equal to 2, no, condition will be false. Now control will switch over second for loop. So 2 white space is already printed over there, and now we can see for j equal to 1, j is less than equal to space minus 2 star space minus 1, j plus plus 2 star space, the value of space is now what, 8, right? 10 minus 1 equal to 9, 9 minus 1 equal to 8, the value of space is 8. Now 2 into 8 will be 16 minus 1 will be 15. J is going to execute from 1 to 15. 15, that means it will print 15 asterisk symbol in this line. So we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Clear? Now this will continue till I is less than equal to rho. The value of rho is 10. I execute from 1 to 10. So we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 here. Oh, this is the 10th position. Now we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you.